Treatment of anxiety through Ayurveda. Anxiety is a natural response of the body to stress. It is a feeling of fear or apprehension about what is to come. At normal levels, it can be helpful in facing challenging situations. However, when it becomes excessive or persistent, it can interfere with daily life and may be classified as an anxiety disorder. Symptoms can include constant worry, nervousness, insomnia, and difficulty concentrating. It is important to seek professional support if anxiety is affecting your quality of life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any content. Let's go! Ayurveda, the traditional system of Indian medicine, offers holistic approaches to treating anxiety, emphasizing the balance between body, mind, and spirit. Let's explore Ayurvedic practices, including where to find herbs and other resources that can help alleviate anxiety. Understanding anxiety in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, anxiety is often associated with the Vata dosha, which represents the qualities of air and space. When Vata is out of balance, it can result in restlessness, fear, and worry. The goal of Ayurvedic treatment is to restore balance, promoting calm and well-being. Balanced diet. A diet that calms Vata is essential. Warm and nutritious foods. Consume soups, stews, and whole grains, which are easier to digest and help stabilize energy. Herbs and spices. Ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon are excellent for calming the nervous system. You can find them in local markets, health food stores, or supermarkets. Where to find? Local markets. Many farmers' markets offer fresh herbs and spices. Health food stores. These stores usually carry a variety of dried herbs and supplements. Online. Websites like Amazon or specialized Ayurveda shops offer a wide range of products. Ayurvedic herbs. Some herbs are particularly effective in relieving anxiety. Ashwagandha. Known as an adaptogen, it helps reduce stress and promotes a state of calm. Available in powder, capsule, or extract form. Brahmi. Enhances mental clarity and reduces anxiety. It can be found in powder or capsule form. Tulsi, holy basil, helps balance cortisol levels and is excellent for overall health. Where to find? Natural product pharmacies. Many pharmacies have sections dedicated to herbs and supplements. Herb stores. Specialized in natural medicine, they offer a variety of fresh and dried herbs. Home gardening. Some herbs, like tulsi, can be grown at home, making access constant. Daily routine. Dinacharya. Establishing a daily routine is essential for stabilizing Vata. Wake up and sleep at regular times. This promotes balance and stability in the body. Relaxation practices. Incorporate meditation, yoga, and deep breathing into your routine. Oil massage. Abhyanga. Warm oil massages, such as sesame oil, are recommended to calm the nervous system. You can find Ayurvedic massage services at spas or wellness centers. Yoga and meditation. Yoga. Practice poses that promote relaxation, such as savasana, corpse pose, and balasana, child's pose. Meditation. Mindfulness techniques can be very effective in calming the mind and reducing anxiety. Where to find classes? Yoga studios. Many offer yoga and meditation classes focused on relaxation and stress reduction. Meditation apps. Platforms like Headspace and Calm provide guided meditation. Pranayama. Breathing exercises. Techniques like alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, help balance the mind and reduce anxiety. There are online tutorials and videos that can guide you through these practices. Final considerations. Ayurveda's approach to treating anxiety promotes a holistic method, focusing on the balance between body and mind. Incorporating these practices can help foster a state of calm and well-being. However, it's crucial to remember that this article is for informational purposes only. Always check for contraindications with a qualified physician, and keep in mind that Ayurvedic treatment does not replace conventional medical care. Useful resources. Ayurveda books and websites. Explore works by authors like Vasant Lad or David Frawley for a deeper understanding. Consultations with professionals. Consider consulting an Ayurvedic practitioner for personalized treatment. By adopting a conscious and informed approach, you can improve your mental health and well-being with the wisdom of Ayurveda. Did you enjoy this wonderful and informative content? Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips.